Alright everybody, I got my 56-inch steel glide toolbox here. I'll give you a little tour. Does that work here? Just got some vice grips and cutters here. All my pliers here. Channel locks and cut ears, and here I got my drills. Some drill bits here. All my adapters, more screwdrivers, all my standard, some ice picks, some other little tiny screwdriver sets there, some door pliers there, all my hammers here. I have all my American wrenches, ratcheting, Craftsman mostly there. These are all my metrics here. So, yeah, I got all my 1/4 inch and 3/8 sockets, extensions, and ratchets there. Got all my impacts, snap-on impact, snap-on torque wrench. Or actually, it's a Matco torque wrench. All my impact sockets, Craftsman. Crescent wrenches, some pry bars. All my 1/2 inch ratchets and sockets here. Down here I got some gasket scrapers, putty knives, some lineup tools, chisels, punches, all that good stuff. I got my voltmeter, test light, pottery tester, static tester, just some knives and stuff like that there, so scissors, lights, tape measures. And I think that's it. I got some other stuff at home and in the bottom boxes and stuff, but other than that, this is my 56-inch steel glide toolbox. I bought it at Sam's Club for $1,200. Thanks for watching.